The quick Bitcoin update. We do have a high, lower high, then a higher high. So this is looking good. When the price was here, we were saying that we would like to see it come down, create a higher low. We have a low, higher low, and possibly a higher low. Here we did start a higher low. It came up to this level, 105.1. Came down, created a lower low than this, but still a higher low than this. And we do have bullish divergence. And this is on the hourly time frame. And now it's starting to come up. So this is now our decision point, or this is the point that it needs to break. So let's go ahead and put our magnet tool on. Go right here. So it needs to break 105.145. And I believe it's going to do it. So what I'm thinking now, what might happen, and again, it's just level by level. What I'm thinking now, what might come up here to this level, to about here, come down, and then now create a higher high from this. And then, of course, it has this level it needs to go to, and this level it needs to go to. But all in all, I do think that we're going to go up, retrace a little bit. Hopefully, it gets support here and then come up. We don't want to see it come down, breaking this level, because then now we have this level and then more than likely just fall over. But at the moment, I do see it going up. All right, I do thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video. Hopefully the alts will also do this as well. All right, thank you so much. Until Joe just finished the video. Until the alts get depegged from Bitcoin, and regardless of what Bitcoin does, the alts will be taken off. Until that point comes, right now we're just looking at Bitcoin and to determine what we're going to do on our alts. Thank you so much. Take care. See you in the next video.